Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a chill day in my kitchen and I decided to share with you guys what I'm making for dinner. I am making what we consider gravy, but I'm using canned mackerel for that. And this, growing up, we used to call tinapa, so we'll make gravy out of this. So I'm making 2 cans, 2 cups of onions. I'm just adding some carrots for extra vegetables, 2 cups of tomato, 1/4 cup of oil. I have 2 garlic cloves and 3 hot peppers in here already blended. Adding all my herbs right away: coriander, basil, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper mix. I add my tomato. Pepper and garlic. Saute all these for about 5 minutes and I'll add the rest of the stuff, mackerel and the rest of the seasoning. Alright, I'll be adding the tinapa now, or mackerel. 2 cans. I'll be adding 2 of these. One teaspoon of salt. I've had the heat on medium this whole time and I'll reduce it to low because it's not a lot of liquid in here. It's already thick enough, so I don't see myself cooking it for too much longer, maybe 15 minutes more. Have half cup of water, 1 cup of gari. It's been a while since I made this and it's looking like I need to add more water to get ready thickened. Yeah, so I'll just add probably another half cup of hot water to it and let's see how it turns out. I think I like the consistency, so the ratio seems like 1.5 cups to 1 cup, 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of gari. And I'll just cover it, reduce my heat to low and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Looks like it's ready. It has a clean or clear color instead of the regular white you see from gari. I think that's how much I can eat. So just sometimes cooking like it was made back home definitely takes me down memory lane. Especially eba here is something I got introduced to growing up in Ghana, and today I'm having it with freshly made lemonade. Let's eat. I'll see you in my next video.